Good evening. MOB and FOG, baby, peace, love, and blessings to my comrades, sisters, and brothers. Once again, it's the truth, West Baltimore all day. And we seeing what's going on in the skies tonight. You dig what I'm saying? Had a mean UFO sighting the other day. Mean. Y'all need to check it out on YouTube, you feel me? Real UFOs flying around, y'all. Y'all not paying attention to what's going on over y'all heads, man. You know what I mean? Like, y'all really need to pay attention to what the fuck is going on out here. You feel me? Like, why is these UFOs all of a sudden? I'm not going to say all of a sudden, but why are they flying around in broad daylight? You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about objects that cannot be of Earth. It's no way possible. They can be of earthly origin. And the reason I say that is because they move around. They change shape. You know, they change direction. These things are moving around in an intelligent manner. All right? And I'm just letting y'all know, I'm going to get more of them. I'm getting ready to start focusing a little bit more on what's transpiring, because it's transpiring an awful lot. A lot lately. I mean, almost damn near every day. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know what this object is here. Right? Seems to be just hovering. But I don't see nothing with the naked eye. I don't see nothing hovering there with the naked eye. So, I don't know what this is. What the fuck? Do y'all see that? Oh shit, that was something else. Man, what in the fuck? Where'd it go? Yep. All right, my energy is running low. So I gotta cut this off. But it's MOB and FOG forever, baby. Belmont alum for infinity, niggas. You know what I mean? Much love, peace and blessings to my comrades, sisters and brothers. You know what I mean? Rest in peace to the ones we done lost. You know what I mean? And to my homies that's in the joint, you know, that's doing time. God bless you, bro. You know what I mean? All of y'all, you feel me? As soon as I get this money right, something will definitely be coming to y'all. No question. So it's all three eyes open, y'all. MOB and FOG forever. Belmont along for life. I don't know what this object is. Already. One.